Welcome to my YouTube channel Online Earning Method. So in this video I will be show you the best earning method through the internet. So we will go to the Google, and I will tell you about the online means through the internet, and through any type of kind of online, like freelancing, e-commerce, and much method and way to earn money from the online. So this is the I will search the online make money method. So this is the very kind of method, just like first of all, sale use items in the type of e-commerce, and create and sell artwork, tail online service, taste game and apps, review website, becomes a mystery shopper, monetize school notes, become an voiceover artist. This is a very type of this is the so you make the tutor student in online classes, become a virtual assistant, any type of e-commerce business, like Amazon and eBay. You make a certified virtual assistant and provide service on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy, and so many e-commerce website. And also you can suppose the website or blog. This is a very hard work, but time to time your website and grow, and you also a very good blogger, and freelance data entry on graphic design. And there's a five top way or all over the world. Here with few ways to you can earn $10 a day. Through this five option you can earn $100 a day and $3,000 of the month. We focus on the first step, the total student in online classes. Total student online classes, copy, and this is the paste. And if you see this, the total bees is the website which can the online tutoring and online tutoring in Pakistan. Well, this is a this R12 website is belong to the Pakistan. And if you click on this TotalBees, this is a TotalBees.net subject course. There's a subject course. You can also gain knowledge, and you can also provide classes according to this. And this is the pricing. If you click the pricing, this is the pricing are not much high. First of all, we can sign up as a student, teacher, and a parent. Well, I'm a student. I go the click on the student way, and my name is Vakas, and this is the way. This is the email, and this is the number, and you can this mail, and this is the password, and this is the password, and accept this. Well, I think something miss, and accept the raw. This is the submit, and this is the subject, and this is the many subject. You can find this. Yes, I can also this, and this is the in Urdu, and this is the English. So there's a also a billing method here, and this is the amount, and this is subject, and what is the time to prefer class, and anything information to share tutor, and what is the current grade and prefer tutor gender. Well, I'm the male. So, and this is the click and attach to file book course online to touch you. We understand what you need. Well, this is a good website for learners and grow up in this career from this website, Total Bees. So this is the end of our video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press bell icon notify about my new videos. See you on my next video. Bye bye.